Hello guys, and welcome back to today's cryptocurrency video. And today we are going to be looking at YEARN finance, or YFI, currently ranked at 111. At the price of YFI for today is about 14,000 with a whopping 29% push to the upside, right? And so today we would be looking at the BullRun price prediction right here for YFI with a market cap of just $466 million. Quite very small right here for YFI. The market capsule, we could still see a very huge push to the upside. As you can see, in the last 30 days, we were seeing YFI right here at the $4,500 level. We have seen a huge push even into that $14,000 level, and that has been a huge push of about 172% just in the last 7 days. And so currently, if we just flip over to the chart, we just want to see we're on the chart right here for YFI versus the USD Theta. We're on the weekly time frame, and Binance is the data source, and we want to see what is our bull run price prediction right here for YFI and what we should be expecting in the 2024-2025 bull run, right? So we would be using right here the Fibonacci retracement tool right here for YFI, right? And we have our targets right here for YFI, right? Fibonacci is basically used to get the price prediction, or the future price prediction right here for a lot of assets. And then we have two price predictions right here for YFI for the bull run, right? As you can see, right here we have our first target, which is 1.618, right? 1.618 is the minimum we are expecting for the bull run, and so the minimum we should be expecting right here for YFI is the $160,000 level, right? That is our first target right there for the bull run at the $160,000 level, and that could be a 1,000%, which basically mean a 10x right there for YFI, right? And this is the minimum we should expect, right? The 1.618, and if we see that full extension to the 4.236 level, that could see YFI push as high as 422,000, which is about a 2,832%, which is about a 28x, right? And so minimum we should be expecting is a 1.618, as a lot of coins minimum, right? We should go to their 1.618, and that could be a 10x right there for YFI, right? So that's the update right here, our bull run price prediction for YFI. If you like the channel, please do not forget to click on the like button, click on subscribe button. Thank you for watching, and have a blessed day.